Why hasselhout? Hello and good day. Today's Salish word of the day is kalishchut. Kalishchut is the Colville Salish word for hiccup. Someone could ask you, Haksich kalishchut? Are you hiccuping? You could say, Ki kinsich kalishchut? Yes, I'm hiccuping. Our Salish word of the day is kalishchut, to hiccup. Salish is the native language of the people of the Spokane, Colville, Kalispell, and Coeur d'Alene tribes. Salish word of the day is brought to you by Salish School of Spokane and the Innovia Foundation.